On this video today, I'm going to show you a website that will pay you $100 to $1,000 for reading KDP books. This does not require any skills, it does not require any investment, this does not require selling any items. Everything that I'm about to show you is free and you can do it at home. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, and if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. As you can see, this website ACX, if you have heard of this website before, kindly keep on watching till the end, because I'm going to show you one of the strategies that you can use to earn money on this website without selling anything and without even reading books. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, so that I will show you exactly how to do it. As you can see, your audio book will be sold through this online retails. This is an audio marketplace that you can buy audio books. You can also make money by narrating books into audiobooks, so that you'll be paid every time you narrate a book. As you can see, when you come here, are you an actor or producer? You can see engage your skills, forge relationships, and earn extra cash. Upload a few samples and find projects you want to produce. So as a voiceover artist, what you are going to do is that you have to just provide the sample of your voice, so that you can find products that fit your voice, so that you can begin narrating books, and you are going to be paid anytime you finish narrating a book. As you can see here, visit ACX University to learn how to produce, publish, and market great sounding audiobooks. So even if you have no skills, they are going to train you on how to produce audiobooks. So once you get the training, you can be well equipped to narrate books at the comfort of your home, and you are going to be paid. So once you know about the website, the next thing is that you are going to find books that accept audition right now. So when you come here, the search, just click on titles accepting auditions. As you can see, these are titles that accept auditions. So what you are going to do is that you are going to just read a portion of these books that you are seeing on your screen, so that the author will review your voice. If they like it, they are going to hire you to narrate any of these books that you like. So once you narrate the books, you are going to be paid. I will show you how you are going to be paid later. As you can see here, we have 1961 titles that are looking for audition right now. So what you are going to do is that you are going to filter for titles that match your unique voice, your age, your genders, or the genders that you like. You can just filter that. So when you come here, you can see genders. So you are going to click on that, and you are going to select any of these genres that you like. So you can just select any of them, or you can select more than two. So you just come here, entertainment and arts. You can come here, biography, business and careers, or any of the genres that you like. You are going to select that, so that you can filter the books that are available for auditions. So as you can see right here, so once you select the genres that you like, just come here, click on apply, so that it will be filtered for you. As you can see, we now have 432 titles that you can narrate based on the genres that you have selected. Another thing is that you can select your gender. So when you come here, just click on gender, so that you filter that. So as you can see, I am a male, so I'm going to select that, click on apply. As you can see, it has been reduced, so you now have 265 titles that I can narrate right now. I'll come to compensation, but let's move on. Fiction. So when you come here, you can select whether you want fiction or non-fiction. So I'm going to leave it fiction. The next thing is the language. So if you don't speak English, you can select your language, and then you are going to get books in your language. As you can see it right here, so I'm going to leave it as it is. The next thing is the accent. So you can just select any of the accent right here. You can see America, Boston, you can see American, Southern, you can see Asian, others, British, General, Scottish. You are going to select any of these accents that best fit you. So once you select that, you click on apply, so that you can filter the books. Another way that you can filter is the vocal style. So when you click on the vocal style, you are going to select whether announcer, booming, comedic, and great comic timing. You can see engaging, and then the rest. So a lot of different vocal styles that you can select. So once you select any of them, just click on apply, so that you can filter those that match your vocal style. Another thing that you can filter is your voice age. So when you come here, you're going to select your voice age. So if you are an adult, just click on adult. If you are young adult, you are going to select young adult right here. You can see teenager, you are going to select here middle age, elderly, you are going to select any of them that best fits you. So now I'm going to select my own young adult. Once that is done, you just click on apply so that it will be filtered for you. You can see these are the books that are available for young adults to narrate. You can see there are 44 titles. So now once you've done that, the next thing is that you are going to think of how much you are going to be paid if you narrate this book. So you come to the compensations. So when you come to the compensation, you can see there are books that you can narrate and you are going to be paid $50 to $100 per finished hour. If the book is 2 hours, you are going to be paid $100 or $50 per each hour that you narrate. PFH stands for per finished hour. So the hours that you use to finish the book, you are going to be paid accordingly. As you can see here, there are books that you can narrate and you are going to be paid $100 to $200 per hour. You can see this one, $200 to $400 per hour. You can see $400 to $1,000 per hour. If you don't want to be paid on hourly basis, you can select royalty share. So when you select royalty share, it means anytime the book gets a sale, you are going to get a share of the sale. So if you select this option, you are going to be paid based on the amount of sales that the author gets. You are not going to get an upfront fee. You are going to be paid based on sales. So when you come here, you can select $100 to $200 per finished hour. So when you click on that, you can just click on apply and you are going to get titles that are ready for audition. You can see we still have titles right here that are going to pay $100 to $200 per finished hour. You can see them right here, and the good news is that you can see that is page 1 of 4 pages. So if you click this way, you can see many others. So you are going to scroll down and then select the book that you want. So the next thing is that I'm going to select this book right here so that we can analyze it. As you click on it, you can see this is how it is. You can see it has 54,000 words. That is the word count. You can see the project budget here, royalty share plus, and you can see unspecified hourly rate. You can see the hours here is 5.8 hours. So if you are able to narrate a book like this, the hours are many, so you'll be earning a lot of money on KDP. You can also select the royalty share. So what you are going to do is that you are going to first of all check if the book is getting sales so that you can narrate it. If you select a book that does not get sales, you are not going to be earning anything if you select royalty share. So what you are going to do is that you are going to scroll down. When you come here, you can see the rating of the book on Amazon. You can see this one has 4.6 rating. So this is a great book that you can narrate to make money on Amazon KDP. You can see the rating is good. You can equally just click here, view this title on Amazon. When you click on that, you are going to be directed to the Amazon platform so that you can view how the book is performing on Amazon. As you click on it, you can see this is the book on Amazon. You can see the hardcover version is selling $27.99. You can see paperback is selling $13.45. So you are going to use these factors to determine whether you want to select royalty share or hourly rate. When you come to Amazon, you can see everything about the product. You can see the reviews is 60 reviews. So 60 people bought this book and review it, and they are giving us 4.6 reviews out of 5. Not all the people who bought this book will have the time to come here and rate it. So these are just the few people who had time and then they came back and reviewed the book. So it means there are a lot of people who probably bought the book and they are not able to come back to give their review. So it is a great book that you can narrate to make money on Amazon KDP. So the next thing is that you are going to just come here, click on produce audio. Once you click on that, you can get the link to this ebook so that you download it and then narrate your voice. Once you narrate it, you are going to send your voice sample to the author so that the author will then check if your voice is good. They will select you. If your voice is not good, you are not going to be selected. So you need to keep on producing samples for many books so that you can get people to select you to narrate the books and earn money. Before you get paid, these are the steps that you need to follow. Step 1, you need to sign up for ACX accounts and create a profile. The second one is unlimited number of samples. As I said earlier on, you have to create samples for many books so that you can be selected. So once that is done, the next thing is you are going to choose your per finished hour rate. So we talked about that. So if you want royalty share, if you want hourly rate, you are going to select that. Step 4 is search for books you are interested in narrating and producing, and record a few of the manuscript. If you are the right holder's top choice, you will receive an offer. So if you record your voice of the manuscript, the author will then choose you or reject you. So it depends on the author's preference. So when you come here, you can see the step 5 is accept the offer. So once the author of the book accept the offer, and then you can see agreed on delivery date for 15 minutes of audios and the final audio book and the payment terms. The author has to agree with your payment terms and the day that you are going to finish reading the book. Once that is done, you can now start recording the book. Once that is done, the step 7 is that work with other professionals, studio professionals. So if you need some help, you can get professional that will help you to narrate the book well. Step 8 is that you are going to upload each completed chapter of the audio book to our audio submission requirement. You can see the step 9 is that you are going to be paid. As you can see it right here, if you and the right holder agree on a pay for production fee, you will be paid directly by the right holder. If you produce the audiobook as royalty share deal, then you will be paid based on 50% of the royalties on sales. So it depends on the compensation that you select. If you select hourly rates, you are going to be paid once you finish narrating the book. If you select royalty share, you can see 50% of the royalty of the book. You are going to be earning that amount. So the next thing is that I'm going to show you how you can earn money on this platform without narrating books and without even having your own book. As you can see here, bounty referral program. So when you refer a person to join this website, you are going to earn $75 anytime you refer a new person to this platform through your referral link. You can see it right here, $75. So what you are going to do is that either you can read books here, you can become an affiliate and then promote the website to others so that people will join. Once they join, you are going to be earning $75 per new listener, as you can see it right here. So what you are going to do is that you are going to train yourself. If you like to read books and then earn money, if you like the referral program, you can choose that. But make sure you create your accounts so that you can be able to do all those things without paying for anything. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.